Open the Plenty of Fish app on your mobile device. Look for the recognizable blue fish logo. Tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner. This takes you to your account settings. Scroll down to find the settings option in the menu. It's usually near the bottom. Select settings and look for live options. This is where your live preferences are located. Tap on live and you will see options to disable the feature. Choose disable. Confirm your choice by tapping yes. You've now successfully disabled live on your app. Remember, you can always re-enable live following the same steps whenever you wish. Explore other features on the app to enhance your experience and connect with others. Reach out to customer support if you face any issues while disabling live. Stay updated with app updates for more features and improvements for a better dating experience. Enjoy your time on Plenty of Fish without the distractions of live and focus on meaningful connections. Thank you for watching this guide. Stay tuned for more tips on making the most of your dating adventures.